In this video, let us learn about some symbols related to our biology. These symbols are very important for your coming examinations. Okay, let us start. Students, observe this symbol. This is red ribbon symbol. All of you know very well about this red ribbon symbol. So if you get this symbol in your examination and you have to identify it as a red ribbon symbol. Is it clear? Students, observe this definition. The red ribbon is the symbol of awareness and support for the people living with HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus or AIDS. Okay? Students, one more question. Every year, International AIDS Day is conducted on 1st December. It is very important. Now students, one more important symbol. It is sustainable development. The symbol indicates about sustainable development. Students, let us know what is sustainable development. Sustainable development is the development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This is the definition for sustainable development. Okay? Students, one more symbol. Observe this. This symbol, recycling symbol. If you get this symbol in your examination, you have to identify it as a recycling symbol. Is it clear? Students, let us know what is recycling. Recycling is the process of converting waste materials into useful materials or new materials and objects. This process is known as recycling. Okay? Students, one more question. What are 4 R's? This is very important 1 mark or 2 marks question. So first R indicates reduce, second R indicates reuse, third R indicates recycle, and fourth R indicates recover. It is very simple and very important question. Okay? Students, these symbols are very important for your examination point of view. So let us recall. First symbol indicates red ribbon. Middle symbol indicates sustainable development. Last symbol indicates recycling. So if you get these symbols in your examinations, you have to identify all these symbols in correct manner and try to get good points. All the best. Thank you very much.